everyone, Diana and Sam here, and we are here with seller secret number 13.
Right.
Today, Sam, we're going to be talking about deal killer odors. So this one can definitely turn off a lot of buyers. You know, you may not
Let us
realize
know what
it.
your thoughts are in the comments below.
Yeah, we want to know if you walked into a house and if it smelled like, you know, certain types of pets or certain types of foods, you know, how would that impact your purchasing decision? So, you know, you may not realize that some odd smells kind of have been carrying on in your house, but they do. And, you know, nobody dislikes pets. In fact, majority of homeowners actually have pets. But the reality is that when you're selling your home, you really need to take this into consideration. So I'll give you a little example. I had a buyer. We went to see a property. She really loves cats, but unfortunately she was highly allergic to cats. And the house, although it was very, very nice, there was a strong smell, and also there was cat hair everywhere. And even though she would have loved to buy a house, she got very worried about her allergies because she was even starting to react a little bit inside the house. So you don't want to have this situation. And then certain types of foods. Some people may like foods that have like a very strong odor, and some people may not. And you want to get rid of the odors. You want to air it out completely. You don't want to turn any buyer off, because that buyer may be the one that has more money in their pocket to give you.
Look, here's the secret. If you want to get, if you want to get this process done as quickly as possible, then invest a little time and money in the beginning. Make sure your home is super clean. And for that period of time, you know, there's solutions like, if you don't need to cook outside, you can cook before you put your home up for sale, and you can freeze the food, you can buy outside food, you can eat at the family's house. But, you know, for us, our average days are about 7 to 8 days. We tell our clients for that week to be patient, and, you know, we'll make sure that it's worth their while. Because, you know, bottom line is, it's either you turn off some buyers and you just sell your house for the price that you get, or you can, you know, take this seriously, make sure your home is super clean, the same way the builders sell their home. These guys spend millions of dollars on research and studies, so just model what they're doing.
Yeah. Air fresheners go a very, very long way. Please just put them all over your house. And like Sam said, don't cook. If you're going to cook, or if you're going to make food at home, maybe you can't eat out every day, cold sandwiches. So lots of different options.
So you know, the difference is you leave money on the table.
Yeah.
And we've seen that happen. We worked with thousands of buyers, and this is not something coming from us. Although we have been buyers and we did experience this, this is coming from working with thousands and thousands of buyers over the years with our team, and the same feedback we're hearing. And we want to know what your feedback is. So if you put in the comment below what you think about different smells in the house, and if it is a turn off to you or if it doesn't matter to you, we'd love to know what you think. But more importantly, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification.
And share the video.
Thank you.